All right, so here I got the control panel from the 4runner. And what I'm going to do is swap out the light bulbs that are on the display right here and change them to LEDs. So what we're gonna do is, the two lights that light up the panel are these two right here. So we're going to unscrew this little light and swap it with an LED. Now this is gonna be very simple. What we're gonna do is take a screwdriver and unscrew that little light, and then it should fall right off. Yep, just like that. All right, so this is the LED that we're going to be using to light up the panel. So something that you guys should know is that this longer lead should be touching, let's focus, it should be touching this upper part of the panel, which means that this is the positive and this is our negative. So when we put it inside this little case, we gotta make sure that when we screw it in, the longer side is touching the positive on the circuit board. Okay, so this is the bulb that lights up the panel. So we gotta take it out of this little plastic casing. And it's very simple. You can see that the wires from the light bulb, they just wrap around this plastic case and go straight up. So what we're going to do is just try to like get that little wire out and get the light out. All right. And now this is where we put the LED in. So we got to make sure that the long lead comes out from this side right here. So let's put it in. It's just easily, I'm sorry about that, just easily slides in like that. Then it's going to stay like that. And to make it clean, or to finish the circuit, we just got to bend the cables. They bend very easily, like this. And then this one is gonna wrap up around and then around again. And here is where we're gonna cut it so it could sit flat, and I'm going to press on it with some pliers to make it sit as low as possible. All right, so as you can see, this is how the bulb looks. And now what we have to do is file down the LED. So just as is, it's not going to fit because it's too tall for the space that's got in there. So what I'm going to do is, with like some sanding pad, just sand down the top of the bulb and get it as low as possible. That way it can fit inside the control panel. All right, guys, as you can see, here I put both of the LEDs inside. And this is how it's looking. It's looking great. Let's put this here. So now I gotta do like the rest of the LEDs of the control panel, but all I did was start it with the LCD, and it's looking great. This LED is a bit different, but honestly I don't mind. As long as it's clear and I can see this side, I'm happy. So it's just like a quick video. I know a lot of people have been looking for this and there aren't a lot of videos, but I hope this helps.